How to blur object in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to blur object in CapCut PC. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, launch the CapCut. And now here once you're inside, then you can simply click on the create project button. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply click on import, and after that you can simply import the video or the image clip that you want to add. And now here, once you have selected it, just click on open, and once you do that, it will be imported in the CapCut. Now here, once you have done that, then what you can do is simply click and hold on that particular clip and add it to the timeline. And now here, once you have added that clip to the timeline, then what you can do is simply select the video. And once you have done that, simply right click on it. And after that, you can simply click on copy. And now here, once you have done that, simply right click again. And after that, you can simply paste it. And here, once you have copied and pasted the video clip, then what you can do is simply click on the upper video clip. And once you have done that, simply go to the top left panel. And from there, you can simply click on effect. And now here in this section, simply click on the search bar and simply search for blur. And now here, once you have searched for that option, then what you can do is simply add the effect to the first clip. And now here, once you have added that clip, then what you can do is simply adjust it to the video clip. And here, what you can do is simply select that effect and the video clip. And after that, you can simply right click. And from here in this section, what you can do is simply click on create compound clip option. And now here, once you have done that, then what you can do is simply go to the right side panel. And now here, what you can do is simply click on mask. And now here in this section, you can simply click on add mask. And after that, you can simply select any shape for your blurry effect. For this video, I'll simply select the circle one. And here, once you have done that, you can simply add it to the face that you want to blur and adjust it as you like. And here, once you have done that, what you can do is simply export the videos to your quality. And that's it. That's how you can blur object in CapCut PC. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.